Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Skylogic Drones. In this video, I will explain how to create eGCA ID for drone pilot on the DGCA's eGCA portal. Let's get started. First comes our mind, who needs to register? So any drone pilot who wants to fly a drone commercial in India and get a remote pilot certificate needs to register as a user on eGCA. Let's begin with the essential requirement you need to fulfill before registering as a remote pilot. The first prerequisite is you should have valid and not pre-registered email ID and mobile number. The second prerequisite is passport size photo. It should be in JPG format with a pixel of 400 into 400. The maximum file size up to 1 MB is allowed. The next prerequisite is signature. It should be in JPG format. The applicant has to sign on white paper with black ink. Signed only by the applicant, not by any other person. The file size is 400 pixel into 400 pixel. The maximum file size up to 1 MB is allowed. Capital letters is not permitted. The list of identification proofs which are allowed is Aadhar, PAN card, driving license, passport and voter ID. It should be in PDF format. Maximum file size will be 200 MB. The list of permanent address proof which are allowed is passport, driving license, ration card and voter ID. It should be in PDF format. Maximum file size is 200 MB. The last prerequisite is 10 certificate. So it is mandatory. It should be PDF format and maximum file size is 200 MB. To make the process faster, be sure to keep all these documents ready before you start. Type DGCA in any browser, press enter. Select the first option, DGCA home screen. Click on that option. Here is the home page of DGCA website. The top right corner option is called eGCA login. Click on that option. eGCA login who have already have the eGCA ID. Okay, for the sign up process, click on sign up. In the user type, you have to search for remote pilot. Then click on submit. Here is the first steps to registration. The first question is whether Indian nationalist or not. Click on yes. Click on proceed to step 2. So here you need to fill all the personal details. So like first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth as well as address. So all the details should be matched with your ID proof. Thus whatever there in the ID proof, same thing you need to fill here. So if it is your correspondence address as well as permanent address is same, then there is an option, there is a checkbox same as correspondent address. Click on that. So if it is different, you have to fill manually. Then click on proceed to step 3. In this step, you need to upload all the documents and you need to fill all the login details. Okay, first ID proof details. In that, you have to select any ID proof you have. Then choose the file from your system. Then upload it. Then type the ID proof, which ID proof you already uploaded. Then confirm that ID proof numbers once again. So then you need to upload photo as well as signature. First you need to upload the photo. Then you need to upload the signature. So after that, you need to upload the 10 certificate. So it should be in PDF format. So after that, you need to upload the permanent address proof. So which proof you have, click on that and upload it. Then so you have to permanent address proof number you have to enter one more time. So after that, so you have to enter all the login details. So create a password. So how to create a password hint already given. So please follow that hint. So then type the create password, then confirm password. So after confirming the password, so you need to enter your email ID. Once again, you need to enter the email ID. So if it is have any alternate email, you can fill it. It is not mandatory. So then how to enter the mobile number. The mobile number should be so Indian number. Okay, you have to type the mobile number. Then if it is have any alternate number, you can fill it. So enter the captcha, then click on receive OTP. So you will get OTP to your mobile number as well as email ID. So once you are entering the OTP here, then once again you need to enter captcha. So after that, you need to click on to declaration checkbox. Then click on submit. You will get a message showing registration process is successfully completed. Your registration ID is. So you will get a registration ID. Please note that eGCA ID for your future work in a eGCA portal. After getting a eGCA ID, so you need to go once again eGCA login. So in that you need to enter eGCA ID, password already created password. You need to enter captcha. Then click on login. So in the first login, the eGCA portal will ask the Aadhaar validation. Here you need to enter your Aadhaar number and click on verify. Then you will get OTP to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. So enter that OTP, then click on validate. So now you are ready to use eGCA portal as remote pilot. That's it. Thanks for watching Skylogic Drones.